Universe says, take a deep breath. This is your transition. I know you are smart and insightful, and you are so good at many things. But God is taking you somewhere brand new in this season, and it's okay to admit it's overwhelming and you are tired. The problem is you got so used to helping others overcome and achieve. You thought God did not have more for you too. No, you too will overcome the personal battle you don't talk about, and you will achieve new levels in your life. You matter to the Lord. Jesus believes you. Be refreshed. Something good is coming. Type Amen if you believe, and also subscribe